Hello, in this video I will show you how to transfer podcast to Spotify for creators. So it's a very easy process. What you have to do is open your browser where your Spotify for creator account is. Open the first link. Just simply click on sign up right over here. After that, just simply choose any one of the methods that you want to use in order to sign up. So let's say for example Google. Now after that, just simply complete the sign in process with your Google account. Now wait for a few seconds. Now all you have to do is just simply enter your details like email address, which will be needed for verification, then your date of birth, year, month, and the rest of the details. After that, just simply click on next. Then just simply check the boxes, click on next. Now wait for a few seconds. And over here, just simply click on accept terms. Now, right over here, what you have to do is you have to click on find an exciting show. And then you have to choose the website where your podcast is originally hosted. Now, if it is hosted on Spotify for Creators, choose this option. And if it is any other platform, choose that. For example, let's assume your podcast is hosted on Podbean, as you can see right over here. So let's try to transfer our podcast from that particular website to this. So what if you do is click on somewhere else. Now wait for a few seconds. Now over here, you have to find your podcast RSS feed link. Now, depending on the website where you have originally hosted your podcast, the option might be a little different, but it's going to be generally the same. You have to go to your hosting platform. Then inside settings, you should find the option called feed or something related to RSS, or just simply it will be written transfer episodes. All you have to do is simply find that particular option, and over there in that option, you should be able to see a link. Now, all you have to do is just simply copy a link and go back to Spotify and paste that link right over here. Now wait for a few seconds. After you will paste the link right over here, you should see an option called looks good. Now, there is one thing that you should keep in mind, that the email address that you use to create your podcast account on Spotify should also match the ownership email address on that hosting platform. Let me show you what I mean. So if I go back to the hosting platform, you should see an option called ownership verification email. And as you can see, this is my email and it's the same email that I use to create my Spotify account. Now, if the email will be different, you won't be able to add your feed link right over here. And if the email link is same, it will automatically say that you are good to go. And now all you have to do is click on next. And then a verification message will be sent to you on the email address from which the RSS code is coming, which is going to be right over here. So just simply go and check that email. Once you will receive the code, which you can see right over here, just simply copy it back to your creator account and just simply hit next. Now just simply fill the details right over here. And over here, just simply double check the hosting provider's name, because there will be a lot of providers' name. Make sure that the provider that you are actually using is over here. Then choose your category and choose 3 options in that category and click on next. And lastly, click on submit. Now within a few seconds, you will be done. And after that, choose this option. Now wait for a few seconds. And as you can see, you have successfully transferred your data from that hosting platform onto Spotify, which you can see by the name right over here. And I'm going to verify the name right over here. So the processing will take some time, so be patient and wait for it to complete, but it should be completed within the next hour. So that's it. And if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.